Hey, this is Yasir Red Clay Detailing. I would like to share with you the Express Interior Cleaner by P&S, the double black Renny Doyle collection. And it's designed to clean all the surfaces on the interior: leather, plastic, vinyl, rubber. And as you can see, it's in a spray bottle. And according to the directions, you can actually dilute it 1:1 with water, or use it straight. And I think I have this straight. I probably should have diluted it. These seats aren't terribly bad, aren't terrible. There are a few marks here and here, and I'll give you a close-up so you can take a look at them. But what I recommend, I don't recommend just spraying all crazy, because I've already cleaned the rest of the car. So if you've done that, you're just going to have splatter, or if you can control it kind of like that, let it sit for a few seconds. I'd also recommend just spraying it in a towel, and then you can just wipe your area. If you need a little bit more, reapply, wipe the area. And what you want to avoid also when you spray, if you don't wipe it up very quick, you're going to have little spots. So that's one reason why I recommend spray it on a towel. That way you don't get that little dots. Because if the seats are really bad, really dirty, and you spray it, you're definitely going to get spots from where it may have worked in areas a little better than others. Let me show you, give you a close-up so you can see kind of the difference, or some of the areas I'm working on. As you can see, Express Interior Cleaner is an effective cleaner for your interior. So check it out. Double black Renny Doyle collection, Express Interior Cleaner. Got any questions or comments? Please feel free to reach out to me. Talk to you soon. Take care.